Algorand cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.2179 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.2153 0.2250, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.2203. The change in every practical sense was 0.0024, 1.09%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Converse rate, USD to ALGO, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which sort of is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $0.23, sort of most extreme 0.25, in every way that really matters, least 0.21 in a genuinely significant way. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $0.22, certainly most extreme 0.24, fundamentally least 0.20. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $0.24, lovely greatest 0.26, beautiful least 0.22, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand conjecture on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $0.24, by and large greatest 0.26, sort of least 0.22, which especially is genuinely huge. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $0.22, especially greatest 0.24, genuinely least 0.20, or so they by and large thought. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $0.23, really greatest 0.25, certainly least 0.21 in a very enormous way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $0.24, especially greatest 0.26, really least 0.22, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand conjecture on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $0.26, kind of greatest 0.28, certainly least 0.24, which is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.26, by and large most extreme 0.28, lovely least 0.24 in an exceptionally enormous way. In about 14 days Algorand gauge on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.26, fundamentally greatest 0.28, least 0.24, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.25, fundamentally most extreme 0.27, sort of least 0.23 in a kind of huge manner. Algorand estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.23, exceptionally most extreme 0.25, by and large least 0.21, exhibiting that Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which fundamentally is very critical. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.22, sort of most extreme 0.24, sort of least 0.20 and in every practical sense, significant way. Algorand conjecture on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.22, fundamentally greatest 0.24, extremely least 0.20, which sort of is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.22, truly greatest 0.24, sort of least 0.20, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.21, genuinely most extreme 0.22, by and large least 0.20 incredibly. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.20, certainly greatest 0.21, essentially least 0.19, which really is very critical. Algorand estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.19, genuinely most extreme 0.20, by and large least 0.18. especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.19, kind of most extreme 0.20, especially least 0.18 in an especially huge way. In about a month Algorand gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.18, truly most extreme 0.19, least 0.17 in a sort of significant way. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.18, especially greatest 0.19, certainly least 0.17, especially further appearance how Algorand value kind of equivalent to $0.2179 a coin. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand gauge on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $0.18, essentially greatest 0.19, kind of least 0.17, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to ALGO conversion scale sort of equivalent to 4.5893 coins per $1, which most certainly is very huge. Today, S reach 4.444 minus 4.6447 in a significant way. The past day, S nearby 4.5393, which truly is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0500. Plus 1.10%, which explicitly is very huge. USD to ALGO cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Algorand figure on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 4.348 coins. Really most extreme 4.762, lovely least 4.000 in a genuinely large way. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 4.545 coins. Truly greatest 5.000, really least 4.167, so Algorand gauge on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.23, especially most extreme 0.25, certainly least 0.21, showing that Algorand value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 4.167 coins. Genuinely greatest 4.545, especially least 3.846 in a sort of huge manner. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 4.167 coins. Really most extreme 4.545, kind of least 3.846. Certainly further appearance how today. S exchange cost range 0.2153-0.2250 in a genuinely large way. In multi-week dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 4.545 coins. For the most part greatest 5.000, truly least 4.167, which by and large is very huge. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 4.348 coins. Greatest 4.762, kind of least 4.000, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 4.167 coins. Kind of greatest 4.545, exceptionally least 3.846, exhibiting that USD to ALGO expectation on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 4.167 coins. Kind of most extreme 4.545, essentially least 3.846, sort of additional appearance how today. S exchange cost range 0.2153-0.2250, or so they generally thought. USD to ALGO forecast on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 3.846 coins. Truly greatest 4.167, fundamentally least 3.571, or so they thought. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 3.846 coins. Sort of greatest 4.167, truly least 3.571, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days USD to ALGO forecast on Monday. April, 3, cost 3.846 coins. Really greatest 4.167, especially least 3.571 in a sort of large manner. Dollar to Algorand figure on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 4.000 coins.